So, is it better to be a US citizen or keep your green card under the Trump administration in 2025 and beyond? This is a question I get asked all the time from people that are figuring out whether they should start the citizenship process or remain a green card holder like they've been for the past 10, 20 years or more. Well, let me tell you, the landscape is shifting big time right now. And that decision, whether you want to become a US citizen or keep that green card, might change very soon. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what are the benefits of becoming a US citizen or keeping your green card as we move through this administration. Many people are concerned, are scared with all the raids and the deportations, and those decisions that we're going to talk about in this video are going to be super important in 2025. Welcome back, guys. In this video, I really want to talk about whether the big question, whether you should stay a green card holder or become a citizen in 2025 as soon as you can. Because as I said, the landscape is changing so much. We're seeing a lot of fear from the immigrant community, and even green card holders are not feeling safe anymore. So let's talk about some of these benefits to becoming a US citizen right now in 2025. Number one is protection from deportation. This is one of the big ones that I'm getting right now from a lot of clients. If you're a green card holder and you commit a crime and now expanding the crimes that can actually put green card holders at risk, you could be deported right now under this administration as a green card holder. And the crimes that could get you to deportation is going to be expanding. They're going to be expanding the list of things that could actually get you deported, maybe even to the point where a simple shoplifting potentially could get you deported under this administration. Like I said, right now they're going through a lot of executive orders, a lot of changes, and many green card holders are very seriously concerned. So if you become a US citizen, even a crime is not going to get you deported. Number two, being able to vote. Many people want to make a difference. They want to take a stand. They want to be able to show that they have power and they are not happy with this administration or another administration. They want to be able to make a stance. Many people were able to bring Trump into power. Those are immigrants, and they were able to do so because they became citizens and they were able to vote. If you want to make a stance and you want to make some changes in this country, you have to become a citizen to be able to vote. Number three, if you want to apply for government jobs, a lot of people want to advance their careers. They want to work in jobs that require high clearance government jobs. Just a green card holder is not going to cut it. You need to become a US citizen to be able to apply for these jobs. Family immigration. You want to sponsor a family petition. You want to sponsor your wife quickly. If you're just a green card holder, right now filing for your spouse, it'll take you 2 years to immigrate your spouse. If you're a US citizen under this administration, you can get your spouse adjusted inside the United States under a year for now, or try to be a spouse from overseas in under 2 years. If you're a green card holder, that process could take 3, maybe even 4 years. So getting your spouse or other family members as a citizen is an immediate benefit. It will be faster. If you want to bring your parents, only US citizens can sponsor their parents and get them here as soon as possible. So that is a benefit. And especially now with all the anxiety, maybe we're going to see some travel bans coming in the next 2 months. It will be very difficult for you to bring your family members if you're just a green card holder. And the decision to become a citizen is crucial more than ever in 2025. Another benefit is getting a US passport. Depending on where you're from in the world, you may not be able to go to as many places as with a US passport. Also, if you have a green card and you want to leave the United States, many people showed interest to leave the United States because of the Trump administration. They don't want to be here anymore. They want to take a break for a few years. If you only have a green card, you can't just leave the country. You might lose your green card. Becoming a US citizen allows you to obtain a passport and travel and live overseas for as many years as you want. You don't have to be in the United States every year. Green card holder can risk abandoning their green card and then losing it forever. That is another reason why so many people are looking to apply for US citizenship, because they know that if they want to leave the United States right now, they don't feel that things are going well. Mortgages, interest rates are high. They can't buy a house. They want to go back to their home country for a few years. If you want to do that, the only way you can do that is by applying for US citizenship. And therefore, that consideration should take place right now. Now, people think that if you become a US citizen, it's going to impact your taxation. It will, obviously. But as a green card holder, the way you pay taxes is very much similar to that of a US citizen. So that's not going to change so much for you if you're only worried about taxes. And remember, as a green card holder, you also consider to be responsible for worldwide income taxation. Another reason why why a lot of people are interested in applying for citizenship in 2025 is green card expire. And when a green card expires, you won't be able to leave the country. You might have some issues at work, and renewals of those green cards are taking longer and longer. Right now, there are new policies that allow you to not renew the green card, but go ahead and apply for citizenship right away. So take advantage of these opportunities and become a US citizen if that's what you want. Now remember, and one of the biggest advantages of finally applying for citizenship in 2025 under the Trump administration is that you're not going to have to worry about dealing with UCIS or the State Department ever again. Once you become a citizen, you have your passport. You don't have to worry about extensions and filing forms and getting benefits. You are a citizen and you're done with it. And that's one of the things where a lot of our clients who are going through the immigration process, from student visa to work visa to eventually getting the green card, they're saying, listen, I'm always dealing with UCIS. I'm done. I just want to be able to get my passport and know that I'm safe in my country and I don't have to worry about it. And remember, so many people are now getting deported. And having that passport is a sense of security that you know that no matter what happens, and I know he's talking about denaturalization and those are extreme cases, but in most cases, once you get your passport, once you get your US citizenship, you are set, you are free. And remember, in most countries, you don't have to give up your citizenship of your country. Most countries will allow you to hold citizenship of United States and your country. Now, some countries, like for example, Japan, won't allow that. Well, you can apply for an exception, like Germany. Germany lifted that requirement right now. But before that, you can apply for an exception and still be able to keep your citizenship for your country and have your US citizen passport. So as you can see, there are quite a few benefits to applying for citizenship. And many people were waiting for years and say, you know what, I don't need this. And I agree with you guys. But in 2025, under the Trump administration, you want to have more security. You want to feel peace of mind. You want to know that if they pass the Birthright Citizenship Act and you're not a citizen and you have a child, your child will not be able to be a US citizen as well. So remember, one of the things about birthright citizenship is that at least one parent should be a US citizen to be able to pass that to your child. You want to have that citizenship. So in case they will be able to, by some miracle craziness, pass that law, your citizenship will be able to protect yourself and your family. So this is my opinion, my humble opinion as just a simple immigration attorney from California. That's my opinion. And I think if you're watching this video and you have a green card, consider seriously applying for US citizenship. And if you need help with that process, send me a text 619-483-4549 or go to www.immigrationasap.com. and one of our team members will help you ASAP. If you're watching this channel, please subscribe so you don't miss any of our weekly videos. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. As always, if you enjoy my videos, please share with a friend, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.